Good evening, everyone. Welcome to IPMAT by LPT, a channel dedicated to the preparation of IPM entrance test. On this channel, we started a vocab booster series and we have been learning a lot of words through Norman Lewis Word Power Made Easy book, a book which has been tried and tested for vocabulary building for ages. So through root technique, we have learned a lot of words. Through pictures, we have acquired new words. And through association of some famous personality, we have learned the meaning of a few words. Along with that, we also learned a few words with our favorite characters played by our favorite actors in different movies, right? I hope this series has been helping you. And with root technique, I hope now you have begun to realize that this is one of the most effective ways for vocabulary building. As I have always advised that whenever you see this session, please take the book along with you so that you can solve the exercise on which these words are based. There are different chapters in the book and we are taking a chapter and we are trying to finish one chapter in 2-3 days, and once we are done with the chapter, we are doing the exercise followed by that chapter, right? So that you can retain the meaning, you revise the words and you remember the meaning of the words for a longer period of time. Right? So that's the whole purpose of this entire series, that you emerge as a person who has mastery over these words. Okay? So for last 2 days, we have been doing one chapter based on different personality, different kinds of people. We learned a lot of words through roots as well, and today we are going to do an exercise based on those 10 words. Okay? So before we begin the exercise, let's quickly revise those words and then we will do the revision exercise. ठीक है चलिए let's get started. We did convivial with Ranveer Singh character. Ranveer Singh, a person who is very extroverted, friendly, happy, gregarious, amiable, sociable, who loves to talk to people, who loves to mingle with other people, right? So that is convivial. Root word इसमें VIV था और VIV के साथ हमने बहुत सारे words किए like vivacious, vivid, revive, vivisection, viviparous. Another word was bon vivant, somebody who is a high liver, somebody who lives life to the fullest. Indefatigable, somebody who is tireless, थके नहीं, हारे नहीं, surrender ना करे, लगातार चलता रहे. Then we did this word ingenuous with the character of Amir Khan that he played in movie PK, where he is so ingenuously innocent, right? So because he has not been experienced, he hasn't gained any experience with interacting with humans because he is an alien. So whatever he sees, he has childlike curiosity, childlike innocence. Whatever he asks, whatever he does, has a kind of innocence. So ingenuous, a person who lacks pretense or artificiality. Somebody who is not at all artificial is ingenuous. फिर हमने ingenious किया था, somebody who is clever. We also do try to figure out the difference between ingenuous, naive, credulous and gullible. Gullible is derogatory word which is used for someone who is kind of stupid. Credulous, somebody who believes others easily. Naive, जो inexperienced है, जिसको दुनियादारी का समझ नहीं है, दुनियादारी की knowledge नहीं है. Perspicacious, we did this word with Sherlock Holmes, Tenali Rama and Byomkesh Bakshi, those people who are very, very perceptive, right? Who have keen mental acuity and they are as sharp as razor. Perspicacious, who can see through things. इसी से हमने ये word किया था. Root, spect, spectacle, spectator, retrospect, all these words for seeing things. Conspicuous, something which is noticeable, जिसको easily देखा जा सकता है, notice किया जा सकता है. We also did spectacle, spectator and spectacular, something which is worth watching and who sees is spectator. Magnanimous, somebody who is big-hearted, large-hearted, kind-hearted, जिसका दिल बहुत बड़ा है, जो बहुत kind है, altruistic है, somebody who is philanthropic, generous. ठीक है? इसी से हमने वर्ड किया था एनिमस, जिसमें यूनानिमस था. यूनानिमस इज फॉर हैविंग अग्रीमेंट विद समथिंग. ठीक है. इक्वानिमिटी हमने किया था व्हेन यू कंट्रोल योर composure, you don't get agitated very easily, you don't lose your temperament very easily. That is equanimity. Animus, animosity, both are for feeling of hatred for someone, feeling of loath for someone. We did versatile word with actor Priyanka Chopra, who is of course an actor, a poet, a writer, a song singer, right? And he has also been Miss World beauty pageant winner. Along with that, she also is a UN and UNICEF ambassador, right? So multiple roles she has been playing with such ease and such skillfulness and artfulness. So somebody who can do all the work as efficiently as he does or she does a single work, that is versatile, multifarious, multi-talented, multitasking. Stoical, we did this word with Bhishma Pitamaha's character, who without any complaint, without any grumbling, he just bore the pain and endured every adversities in his stride. So that is what is stoical, जो अपने pain को, अपनी suffering को लेके ज़्यादा complain नहीं करते हैं और जिनके जो आराम से सभी situation को easily face करते हैं, that is stoical, ठीक है? Those people who don't whine or rage at their adverse circumstances, but rather who endure their pain with utmost dignity. That is what is stoical. Intrepid, with Shivaji's character, we did this word, somebody who is fearless, valorous and courageous. ठीक है? Those people who do not have a single cowardly bone in their bodies is intrepid. इसमें हमने word जो रूट सीखा था, दैट इज ट्रैपिड. ट्रैपिडेशन जब होता है, आपको थरथराहट होती है, घबराहट होती है, आप कांपते हैं फियर से, एंजाइटी से या एप्रीहेंशन से, तो दैट इज ट्रैपिड. तो रूट वर्ड यहाँ पे ट्रैपिड है, उसी से मैंने आपको वर्ड बताया था ट्रैपिडेशन. ट्रैपिडेशन इज घबराहट की फीलिंग, ठीक है. Scintillating, somebody who is delightful, clever, and somebody who is brilliant, somebody who talks when the person talks, then everyone listens to her. Whenever she comes on screen or she appears in a room, everyone is attracted to her. Scintillating, something which is bright, shiny, illuminating is scintillating. Okay? So scintillating is a very positive word used for any person who brightens up the space, who lightens up people's face when the person appears. Okay? So that is what is scintillating. With Saif Ali's character, the kind of appearance he has, the kind of demeanor he projects as a Nawab, as a person from a Nawab family, that is urbane, right? So urbane is someone who is very polished, very prim and proper, somebody who is cultured, somebody who has cultivated good taste, as well as somebody who is very sophisticated and courteous. ठीक है? So it's not about appearance only, it's also about मैनरिज्म. ठीक है, जब आप बहुत courteous होते हैं, सौजन्य होते हैं, विनम्र होते हैं, so that is also urbane. So it's not about only your physical appearance, it's also about how you conduct in society. ठीक है? So these were the words that we did in these 2 days. Let's quickly start with the exercise. All right. So the first word that I want you to, the first sentence is friendly and easy to get along with, right? So हमने ये word किया था रणवीर सिंह के character के साथ. I hope you remember the word. The word is convivial, right? The word here will be convivial. Fine. Second देखिए, tireless. With Vikram Batra's character, we did this word. Fatigue के साथ ये word है. I hope you are able to fill in the word. The word is indefatigable. Simple, frank, above board. जिसमें कोई chicanery नहीं होता, कोई dissimulation नहीं होता, कोई pretense नहीं होता, जो बच्चों की तरह बिल्कुल भोला भाला होता है. The word starts with ingenuous. ठीक है? Ingenuous is someone who is frank, keen-minded, जो बहुत easily देख सकता है, बहुत sharp है, the word is perspicacious. Generous, noble and forgiving, we did this word with Ratan Tata's character, somebody who is magnanimous. Animus is soul, magna is big, so magnanimous. Somebody who is very generous and forgiving. Able to do many things skillfully, with Priyanka Chopra we did this word. Somebody who is multifarious is versatile. Unflinching in the face of pain or disaster, जो बहुत complain ना करे, even in pain or disaster, that person is stoical. Stoical is someone who does not complain about pain or suffering. ठीक है? Endure करे. Brave and fearless. So somebody who is brave and fearless, we did this word with Shivaji. The word is intrepid. ठीक है? Charming and witty, we did this word with Alia's character or Alia's picture, scintillating. ठीक है? Somebody who is charming, witty, and same time very, very bright. Smooth, polished, and culture. I hope you remember the word. We just did that. That is urbane. ठीक है? Let's go on the next slide. Now choose the word. Tireless. Tireless will be synonymous with indefatigable. Unsophisticated. So unsophisticated, somebody who is not sophisticated. एकदम जिसमें दुनियादारी की समझ नहीं है, जिसमें pretense नहीं है, जिसको ये पता नहीं है कैसे क्या बोलना है. So that was also ingenuous. भोला भाला. So यहाँ पे unsophisticated हो जाएगा. Uncomplaining, somebody who endures the pain without any pain, without any complaint, that is stoical. Noble, forgiving, generous, that will be magnanimous. Inexperienced in the ways of the world, जो दुनिया की नज़र में थोड़ा सा inexperienced है. So that is naive. Easily tricked, जिसको easily आप trick कर सकते हैं, बेवकूफ़ बना सकते हैं. I hope you remember the word. We did this in the synonym of ingenuous. Gullible, जिसको easily आप बेवकूफ़ बना सकते हैं. Backward looking, जब आप पीछे देखते हैं आपने पास्ट में क्या किया, कैसे डिफरेंट कर सकते थे, सिचुएशन कैसे डिफरेंट हो सकती थी. So that is retrospect. Spect is for seeing, retro is for past. Clearness, clarity. So perspicuity, perspicacity, right? So both the words can come for here. Clearness, that is you can see through things. Perspicacious से ही ये noun आया है. Perspicacity, perspicuity. Resentment, जब आप किसी के लिए ill feeling रखते हैं, harbor करते हैं negative feeling. So that is what is animosity. That's the word we learnt. Countrified, एक हमने urbane किया. So somebody who comes from urban area, somebody who comes from country area. So country is also rural area. So somebody who comes from country area, that is rustic. Urbane का just opposite हो जाएगा rustic. Rustic life, rustic pastures. So rustic here is anything which does not belong to urban but rather comes from rural area. So that is what is rustic. Let's quickly decide whether these words are synonym or antonym. ठीक है? So convivial and hostile. Convivial is someone who is very friendly. Hostile is someone who is hostile. दुश्मन की तरह जो feel करे. ठीक है? Answer is opposite. Indefatigable, enervated. Nerve is your energy, right? So when you feel enervated, you feel lethargic, you feel sluggish, you feel lazy. Nerve is basically your strength. ठीक है? So indefatigable, enervated. That's also opposite because indefatigable is someone who is tireless, enervated is someone who is थका हुआ. तो just opposite. Ingenuous, worldly. Worldly का मतलब simple है यहाँ पे दुनियादारी की जिसमें समझ हो. ठीक है? जो दुनियादारी की समझ रखता हो वो worldly हो जाएगा और ingenuous बिल्कुल भोला भाला है. Again, opposite. Perspicacious, obtuse. Obtuse angle आपने सुना होगा. ठीक है? So obtuse is something which is dull, which is not sharp. जबकि perspicacious is someone who is very sharp as a razor. So यहाँ पे ये भी क्या हो जाएगा? Opposite. Magnanimous, बड़े दिल वाला. Petty, small. Again, opposite. Versatile, well-rounded. Well-rounded approach. जब आप बोलते हैं कि it's a well-rounded approach, आपका जो syllabus है IPM के बाद जो आप करेंगे BBA and management MBA integrated course, so the curriculum is well-rounded. It includes everything. It includes humanity, it includes finance, it includes a bit of science as well. So it's well-rounded. Comprehensive, that means it is having all components which are necessary for a well-rounded education. The answer is C. Stoical, unemotional. ठीक है? So here somebody who does not have any emotion about it, right? You know, he does not show his emotion. Even if he's enduring a lot of pain or excruciating pain, person does not flinch. Person does not complain at all. He just endures the pain with ease, complete ease. So both mean same thing, stoical and unemotional, because he doesn't show any emotion. Possibly he doesn't have any emotion as well. Intrepid, bahadur, valorous. Timid, darpok. A timid person is person who is extremely coward. ठीक है, वो हिम्मत नहीं जुटा पाता है बात करने की, कुछ करने की. अ पर्सन हु इज़ नॉट असर्टिव, तो डरपोक, बहादुर. ऑफ कोर्स द आंसर इज ऑपोजिट. सिंटिलेटिंग एंड बेनल. बेनल हमने पुरानी कुछ सेशंस में किया है. इट्स बोरिंग, हैकनीड, रन ऑफ द मिल, एवरीडे काइंड, कॉमन प्लेस. जो रोज़मर्रा की चीज़ें होती हैं, डेली रूटीन की चीज़ें होती हैं, जो यूजुअली बोरिंग होती हैं, मंडेन होती हैं, जिसमें कुछ एक्साइटमेंट नहीं होता है, जिसमें ऐसी कोई चीज़ नहीं होती है दैट यू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू. सो बेनल. ठीक है. तो बेनल इज़ बोरिंग. सिंटिलेटिंग इज समथिंग विच इज़ चार्मिंग, something which is bright, or something which is very very engaging. ठीक है. So just opposite, both are opposite. So this is how you revise the previous words as well. Urbane and rude. As I said, urbane is not only about attire, it's not only about how you look, but also about how you conduct yourself among people and how you behave with other people. So you are very sophisticated, cultivated, and you are very refined in your taste as well as in your mannerism. Somebody who is urbane is possibly not a rude person. Rude is somebody who is on face insulting, right? A person who calls a spade, who does not have any filter when he says something. So rude is someone who is on face insulting. Urbane is someone who is very cultivated. So that will be opposite. Okay? All these exercises are from NL. You can just imagine that when you do one chapter, 10 words, you remember the meaning, you see their description, you try to associate the word with different personalities or maybe with different events or any, anecdote that you find fitting in that context, and then you revise, then you do these exercises. It's very hard not to remember these words. Inevitably, you will remember these words because you do all the exercises, you apply the meaning of these words in these exercises, and they go in your long-term memory. They are imprinted in your memory. So definitely, this book should be something that you should possess when you do attend these sessions. Okay? All right, another exercise. True and false. Just quickly tell me if it is true and false. Convivial people are unfriendly. Is it true or false? Definitely false, because convivial are people who are very friendly, genial, gentle, who go and talk to people, who are gregarious. Anyone who is indefatigable tires easily. Of course, false. Somebody who indefatigable, tirelessly जो काम करता है, ठीक है, बिना थके जो लगातार काम करता रहता है. So it's false. An ingenuous person is artful and untrustworthy. Ingenuous is a person who is free from any pretense. Artful जो थोड़ा सा चालाक, right? And untrustworthy, somebody who cannot be trusted upon. So he's not artful. He doesn't know any art. He doesn't know any artful ways to deceive people, talk to people, or conduct himself. Rather, he's just as simple as he can be. Untrustworthy. He can be trusted because he's what he is. So answer is false here. A perspicacious person is hard to fool. Yes, because he's as sharp as a razor. बहुत मुश्किल है ऐसे person को बेवकूफ़ बनाना. He is not gullible at all. Magnanimous person is easily insulted. He is such a kind-hearted, big-hearted person कि छोटी मोटी insult से आप उसको offend कर ही नहीं सकते. छोटी मोटी insult से that person is not going to be aggravated, not going to be agitated, but rather he is going to take those insults in stride because he is such a big-hearted person. ठीक है? So that's also false. Versatile person does many things well. Yes, that's what the meaning of versatile is. So of course, a versatile person does a lot of things very, very well. A person always complains of his hard lot. So this is a stoical person. It starts from here. A stoical person always complains of his hard lot. Does he complain? Not at all. Unemotional person, usually who does not show his emotion but rather stifles his emotion and with even temperament endures all the pain and suffering silently. So that is false. An intrepid explorer is not easily frightened. Intrepid, अगर याद करें आप, with Shivaji we learn this word. So not easily frightened, बहुत easily उसको डर नहीं लगता है. Yes, he is not afraid at all, right? Because he is valorous. A scintillating speaker is interesting to listen to. Definitely. Sharp, witty, scintillating conversation, scintillating speaker are those one who say witty things. जो अभी अपने कॉमेडी क्लब के जो कुछ स्पीकर्स हैं जिनको आप सुनते हो, या कॉमेडी क्लब के जो कॉमेडियंस हैं कुछ, some of them are scintillating speaker. Whenever they speak, people are left in splits, right? So they laugh and they make people laugh, right? So that is scintillating speaker. Someone who is urbane is always making enemies. As I said, somebody is very sophisticated, courteous, polished. That means he would always make friends. He would not make enemies. ठीक है? All right. Let's quickly do this revision. Convivial and ascetic. फर्स्ट हमारी क्लास का वर्ड है ascetic. ठीक है? फर्स्ट हमारा जो चैप्टर था NL का, that is in that this word appeared, ascetic. Somebody who is like a hermit, if you remember the meaning. Somebody who lives like a hermit, alag thalag, with lonely contemplation, with deep thinking, with deep rumination about things, and he refrains from worldly pleasure, materialistic possessions. ठीक है? Ascetic, साधु सन्यासी की तरह, the kind of life a lot of people live, right? So Mahatma Gandhi lived a life of ascetic, right? He lived with utter simplicity. So ascetic and convivial, they're opposite, right? He lives alone, he lives with lonely contemplation. Convivial, somebody who is gregarious, सबके साथ रहता है. Vivacious, full of energy. Apathetic, no feeling at all. ये भी हमने वर्ड किया है, apathy. जब पैथ हमने रूट वर्ड किया था, we did this word apathetic. Apathetic, that means no feeling, no emotion, right? Nonchalant attitude, indifferent attitude is apathetic. Vivacious, full of energy, overflowing energy, over exuberance. क्या ये वर्ड दोनों सिनोनिम है कि एंटोनिम है? Of course, opposite. Apathetic, कोई emotion नहीं, and this person is overflowing energy. Vivid, very clear. Dull is dull. Again, the answer is opposite. Revive, to bring back to life again. To kill, of course, kill. So answer is opposite. Revitalize, revitalize, जब आप कुछ लेते हैं तो आपकी बॉडी रिवाइटलाइज हो जाती है. विटामिन आप लेते हैं, अब आप मौसम्बी का जूस पीते हैं एंड यू आर फीलिंग वेरी डल, सो इट रिवाइटलाइजेस योर बॉडी. सो दैट मीन्स ब्रिंगिंग बैक एनर्जी. रेजुविनेट, बोथ आर सेम. आप स्पा जाते हैं, ट्रीट लेते हैं, वहाँ पे स्पा ट्रीट लेते हैं, कुछ बॉडी ट्रीटमेंट लेते हैं टू रिजुविनेट योर बॉडी, टू रेजुविनेट योर सोल. So they are same. Ennui possibly is a new word here. Boredom, both are same here. ठीक है? So revive, sorry, vivid, इन सब का opposite है in a way, जिसमें energy ना हो, जिसमें life ना हो. So that is ennui. ठीक है? So ennui in old age, when you are set in your ways and when you don't know how to revive the things that you have been doing for a long time. So that is what is ennui. Ennui is basically boredom. Bon vivant, we did this word with a person who is very cultured, who indulges in high living of life, and who goes to travel different places, who eats exotic dishes, who wears very upscale clothes, and then he indulges in all things which are luxurious. So that's bon vivant. VIV was the root word. Man about town. So when you call somebody a man about town, is also a person who indulges in all these activities because he is a man about town. The answer is same. Gourmandize and starve, right? So gourmandize is basically when you eat piggishly, you eat with intemperate zeal to just finish it off, right? जब आप इस तरह से खाते हैं, so that is gourmandize. So answer is opposite. Glutton, somebody who is extremely fond of eating, and ascetic, that's also opposite. ठीक है? Glutton who indulges, ascetic who refrains, abstains from these things. ठीक है? So that's also opposite. Fine. All right, here we come to the end of today's session. This was all revision of the chapter that we did for 2-3 days. I hope with the revision, all the words you can recall, you can remember, and you can retain the meaning till we meet for the next class. Okay? I hope all of you are enjoying this journey of acquiring new words, learning new words along the way with root technique by Norman Lewis. And I cannot emphasize more about the technique of root for vocabulary building, how effective this technique is, right? You can build your vocabulary and eventually you can build more words once you are done with root technique, right? So that's what our plan is. Once we are done with the root technique, we are going to do another vocab series to build advanced vocabulary through other means. Okay? So stay tuned to this channel for your preparation tips as well as very fruitful content for your preparation for your exam. And I'll meet you again as I have been meeting you every day at 5 p.m. for vocabulary building. Tomorrow as well, we will start a new set of words because today we did the revision of that chapter that we started 2 days ago. So tomorrow will be a new day. I hope I'll be seeing all of you on this channel for a session tomorrow at 5. My name is Neelam and I'm going to be your trainer for IPM. I'll be taking your classes for vocab as well as we will start a vocabulary building session for advanced words. Okay? So stay tuned. See you tomorrow. Thank you.